Alright guys, first time I'm ever gonna do this, but I'll do a little drive in the old e46. Hopefully you can see what's going on. So I'll take a little run through these back roads here. This is in Kentucky. I do have a radio in this car, but the volume button doesn't work, so you can't do anything, and I put this holdfast steering wheel in there, so I can't control the volume via my steering wheel controls. But you know, price you pay, because race car. So yeah, we got a bunch of little back roads out here in Kentucky, Baja Cala, Massachusetts. You know, that's where we're at. This road here is super slick. That was second gear just cruising, and it just fucking lights them off. I think it's all the tree cover, the moss and whatnot. Doughnuts. My favorite donut spots, as you can see. But watch out for old coppers around here. I mean, Mexicali's. Alright, get a couple more in. I think it's gonna be too dark here pretty quick. Can't wait for the time change. Bring back the daylight. Something. Give us something, people, you know? We got the, you know what, I'm not even gonna get in politics right now. I think you know how I feel about it. Let's just put it this way. I'm a gun-loving, gun-toting American. I don't even know if I can put that on YouTube without getting whole channel deleted. Be just like my damn Instagram, 70K down the drain. For no reason. Still don't know why that happened. Still have never been given an answer on that. And it's pretty irritating, I'm not gonna lie. I put a lot of work and effort into all that, and to just have it taken away. I actually do need to go to the store though, so I guess we can horse around a little bit more. Get someone mad at us. Tell you what, kudos to those GoPro suction cup mounts though, man. Those things are troopers. I say that and watch my GoPro probably fall off in the next 5 seconds right after that bump. I've been watching for it like a hawk. It's the last thing I need. GoPro 9 bouncing down the road at 60 miles an hour or however fast we're going. As you can see, my speedometer doesn't work. So yeah, fellers, I figured I'm gonna go you know, I need a cold snack. As one of my favorite YouTubers says, Vice Grip Garage. That dude is so cool. Definitely check out his channel. You probably already have. If you're watching my channel, I can't imagine you haven't heard of his channel. It's huge, it's awesome. Check him out. It is loud. You know, goes sideways. It does fun things. Stuff that old people hate. Stuff that these old people, who I'm sure they're older behind me, probably hate. But, you know.
1
I've been thinking a lot about swapping this car. I mean, eventually, I really want to swap my Lexus wagon first, I think. I'm gonna probably, I don't know, a lot of you guys are gonna really hate this, but I'm probably gonna LS swap it. The car's cutting power right now. I'm not at all sure what that's about, but it definitely shut it down there pretty quick at first. It usually kind of lets you bang the limiter for quite some time, so I don't know. I got no abnormalities showing other than the service engine soon light, which, yeah, if you have an E46, you know that's there. You know, that's one of those things you can just like put some electrical tape over it, call her good. You know, it's fine. Everything's fine, hopefully. You know,